subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free, and also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends, and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on Aloo Methi roast recipe. Let's first see the ingredients required. I've taken about 3 potatoes, boiled, peeled and cubed. Half a cup of kasuri methi. I'm using dry methi leaves here. Oil for frying and salt as per your taste. And for the tempering, I've taken mustard, cumin and 2 dry chilies, turmeric powder and red chili powder, about 5 to 6 garlics finely chopped, asafoetida powder. So these are all the ingredients required. At first, heat a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the temperings, mustard, cumin and the 2 red chilies. Let it splatter a little. Then add in the chopped garlics, and roast it. Until it turns a little brown. Then add in the boiled potato cubes. After 2 minutes, add in asafoetida powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, and cook until the raw smell of the spices goes off. Meanwhile, to the kasuri methi, add a little salt and add in some warm water. Mix it gently with your hand and allow this to soak for about 2 minutes. This will remove the excess bitterness from the methi leaves. After that, squeeze out the water and add the methi leaves to the potato fry. Toast this for about 5 minutes in a very low flame. Add salt. Remember, we have already soaked the methi leaves in salt water, so adjust accordingly. Fry till the potato turns a little crispy. This recipe is great with rice, especially with curd rice or rasam rice. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments in the comment section box below. Please like the episode and share it. Also subscribe to House to Home for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching House to Home.